A slight detour on my way to work. I just had to pick a prescription up. And I thought, look at this. I was going to come back with a still camera and complain to the council. And you see how deep they are? That's about 4 inches in the middle. And also in today's post, my new little stickers arrived, short vehicle. Can you see? Thanks for telling me. Whoever it was. They came with a white background though. I had to snip them with scissors. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, not an ideal place to stop, but you can see how much traffic it gets, and a lot of these are elderly like them, and rather infirm, so what if they, I don't know, struggle to park up, and stumble down a bloody hole? It's disgusting, isn't it? Look at it. Look at that. You see. How much do they take off us in council tax and road tax? Starting to rain, first rain for ages. That road there is even worse, like I said before, and that leads to the posh estate where the retired businessmen live. Well, the bloody country, it's like living in a third world crap hole, isn't it? They don't have it high on the list of priorities though, but people have died. The list of priorities though, but people have died, haven't they? Going down potholes, cyclists, and probably us. On bikes, bounce down a pothole and it throws your sense of balance off and everything, and you're buggered. End up being thrown on the wheels of a bloody vehicle.